Hey folks, today is January the 1st, 2022, so happy New Year's to everybody. We're going to look at doing our Swing VIP EA. This is going to be week number 7 update review. That means we only have one more week to go in this testing. If you guys recall, last week we earned 0.63%, and the week before that we earned 1.81%. This week was the week right after Christmas and preceding New Year's. So most likely we're not going to have a lot of movement in the markets, and I'm sure a lot of the people that really move the markets in general are probably still on vacation into maybe that first or second week in January. So not expecting a lot of movement this week. So keeping that in mind, let's go ahead, jump in and see how Swing VIP did. All right, as we can see here, we're currently up 9.79% overall. And that is interesting. All right. For some reason, it's not showing our statistics here, but I do know that in the past, we've been able to check this on Saturday. So I'm not sure exactly why it's doing that. It might just be a glitch in MyFX book. It does happen from time to time. But like I said, we can see that right here, 9.79% is this week's overall profit. And this is last week's video. But we can see here, last week's overall profit was 9.44%, which means that we had a 0.35% difference. So this week should be 0.35% for the week. And as we can see here, we do have quite a bit of drawdown going into the weekend, and we'll take a look at that after we jump into the VPS. But to close out the month of December, we earned 5.31%. Definitely a good month for us. Before we jump into the VPS, as always, we'll take a look at the news. And as you can see, no high impact news releases. Like I said, we're just coming off of Christmas and coming up to New Year's this week. So a lot of people probably were on vacation. All right, let's go ahead now and take a look here. We can see, should have smiley faces across the board. All right, so everything is operating the way it should be. And as we can see here, and we have a $6,587 account balance, and we have $1,163 in drawdown going into the weekend. You can see all of our drawdown here, and it looks like the majority of it is in GBP USD. We have quite a few sell trades here. We have a nice long spike down, so hopefully next week the market will start to push up for us, so that we can start to see some of these trades go into profit and maybe start closing out some of these trades here. The rest are smaller, or the rest has smaller trades as far as drawdown. But yeah, overall, definitely quite a bit of drawdown. Hopefully next week we can get that closed out. Next week will be our final week of testing for this EA, so we'll have to be patient and just see how things go. All right, we can come over here to account history. First day of the week was the 27th. And it looks like there are some 23s and 22s mixed in. Let's make sure we get this right. All right, there it is. So it looks like we got started right there. And as you guys can see, we started out with a few losing trades, minus 19, minus 12. Another little small loss before we got a few nice size winners, $20 and $13, followed by a few smaller wins, which gave us a 0.35% profit for the week. As always, I'm definitely happy to see any form of green for the week, so we're going to take it and be happy with it, especially knowing that this was going to be a slow week, a holiday week here. All right, let's go ahead now and see how the vendor did. And actually, I'm pretty sure the vendor's account wasn't able to update either. As we can see here, it's in the same situation. So whatever's going on with MyFX book, we can see that his balance is going up. And actually, this has not updated since December 16th. So MyFX book is definitely causing some problems here. All right, so yeah, this is 2 weeks behind. So hopefully whatever's going on with my Facebook, hopefully they will resolve that so we can start continuing to see what's going on with their account here as well. That's definitely unfortunate though. Anyway, this is going to be a short video. Like I said, we have 1 week to go for the Swing VIP testing. Then we'll be moving on to something else. If you guys have any questions whatsoever on Swing VIP, make sure you send them my way and I'll try to get those answered for you. And as always, not really any comments here. I know a lot of people are not testing this EA, or they've already tested it in the past. So we'll just, like I said, keep on moving. If you guys want to test it for yourself, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the channel. And like I said earlier, I hope you guys have a great weekend and Happy New Year's. Take care, folks.